So I have this grid view as one way to look at the data. There's a second way I can look at the data that's pretty common called a details view. And again, if I just get into my page, the first thing I need is a SQL data source. This uses that connection string and web config to go get the data and bring it back. I'm going to give it a friendly name. And then I need to configure it. I'm going to use that connection string. Return all the information. And now I'm going to display it in a details view. So the details view is one record at a time. So I'll definitely want to enable paging here. And this is what it will look like. It's all the same information. It's just looking at it one record at a time. Now, I can also get into details view. I can do auto formatting here, but again, not a good idea. We would rather do it through the CSS, because if we made a change, we would have to go find all the details view and make the changes. I can edit the fields to be more friendly. Okay, change the thumb. I can drag it wider. And if I want to edit and update, I can configure the data source to do that. Now when I go into grid view, I can edit and delete just like I could before, but now I can also insert. And so this is useful for inserting new records into the database. So now when I look at it in my browser, I have a couple of new options here. I can edit. I can cancel and edit. I can delete, and I can add a new one. And now the new record goes in. There it is. All this information is being stored in the database, so I can also look at it in my grid view. And I can see that new record I just put in, and I can see that Alaska was deleted.